If your faucet looks like it might be leaking and the leak seems to be coming from the tip of the spout and pooling at the bottom of the faucet, or you see that some of the water is spraying out sort of sideways or towards the back instead of straight down, and the tip of the faucet is corroded or crusty with white stuff like lime or calcium, but the rest of the finish looks okay, then this might be a super easy, inexpensive fix. You may just need to replace the aerator, which is at the tip of the spout. Even though it looks like it's part of the faucet, it's actually removable. These are the pliers that I'm going to use. Grab a hold of the tip with the pliers and turn left, which is counterclockwise, to take it off. Here's a brand new aerator and tip, which you can buy for just a few dollars, like $5 or $6. Just screw it in by hand to the right or clockwise direction. And now you see that the water is flowing down neatly and not spraying out in different directions. That's it.